Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys basically how to do a half up, half down hair tutorial, and I will be using a lace front wig from Eullair hair. So the first thing I'm going to begin doing is I'm just going to go ahead and part the hair. I'm going to part both sides of the hair. So once I've parted both sides of the hair, I'm going to go ahead and just put it in a little mini bun and start working around the rest of the hair. I'm going to be taking my hot comb and I'm just going to be trying to lay down the sides of my hair just to get a flat and more sleeker look. Once I finish hot combing the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and just brush it all out so I can get more of a bigger look with the hair. Finish brushing the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my Beauties heat protection spray, and I'm gonna take my hot comb and I'm just going to lay that out. I'm basically trying to get rid of the middle part. So now I'm going to be taking my Care wax stick and I'm just going to be waxing the top of my hair so I get that sleek, shiny look without any flyaway hairs. And I'm still working on getting rid of the middle part. Now I'm going to be taking my BTZ noodle head mousse, and I'm just going to be passing that along the hair and just getting all the hairs together and getting it all sleeked up and pretty. I couldn't really find a big brush, so I am using my edges toothbrush, and I'm combing through the part trying to get rid of my middle part, and I look like it's pretty much gone now. I'm gonna go ahead and put the hair up in the ponytail. So now that I have the hair basically in the ponytail, I'm going to take a piece from the back, and I'm going to take that piece and I'm going to put some mousse on it, and that will be the piece that I'm going to wrap around the whole ponytail. So now that I've basically wrapped all the hair around the ponytail, I'm going to be taking my hair mousse, and I'm going to be basically running the hair mousse through the hair. So now I'm just tweaking out the hair, seeing if there's any spots that need any mousse, and basically teasing out the hair until I get it to my liking. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I went ahead and put some water on the hair just to get it a little bit more wet and pretty. And this is how it's looking. This tutorial was super easy. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Make sure you guys check out Eullair hair. Thank you guys for watching. Mwah.